and welcome back to Daily English Studio. I'm Anna.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucas. It's so good to be here with you all today.
I can tell you're happy today, Lucas.
I am, Anna. I had a really good morning. I cleaned my apartment.
You cleaned your apartment, and that made you happy?
It did. It feels so nice now. Everything is in its place. It got me thinking, this is something we all do every day or every week.
You're right, those little jobs around the house. So that's our topic today. Real daily English conversations about household chores.
Perfect, because we want to help you speak easily about your real life. No complicated grammar today, just simple, useful English.
Absolutely. And to our friends watching, hello! We are so glad you're here learning with us.
Yes, welcome to our English community. If you feel at home here, please help us by clipping the like button below. It really supports our channel.
And subscribe to Daily English Studio. When you subscribe, you never miss a lesson. We make new ones every week to help you speak without fear.
Okay, Anna, let's start simple. What's a very common chore, maybe the first one in the morning?
Making the bed. I always try to make my bed. It makes the room look nice.
Make the bed. That's a good one. So after I get up, I make the bed. The sheets, the blankets, I put them neatly on the bed.
Exactly. Now, after making the bed, often I go to the kitchen. I need to deal with last night's dishes.
Ah, the dishes. I don't love this one. You have to wash the dishes, or if you have a machine, you load the dishwasher.
Load the dishwasher. Yes, you put the plates, cups, and forks inside, then you turn it on.
But sometimes you wash them by hand. You use soap and warm water, then you dry them with a towel.
Right. So we have wash the dishes and dry the dishes. These are very useful phrases.
Let's think about the floor. What do we do for the floor?
Well, if the floor is dirty, you need to sweep it. You use a broom to sweep the floor. This is for hard floors like wood or tile.
Sweep the floor. And after you sweep, sometimes you need to mop. You use a mop and water with cleaner. You mop the floor to make it clean and shiny.
Sweep and mop. Good. Now for a carpet, you don't sweep, you vacuum. You use a vacuum cleaner.
Yes, you vacuum the carpet. You can also vacuum the sofa sometimes. Pets, they leave hair everywhere.
Oh, pets, that's a whole other list of chores. But let's stay focused. Lucas, in the living room, what's a common job?
Dusting. I hate dust. So I take a cloth and I dust the furniture. I dust the table, the shelves, the television.
Dust the furniture. And when things are not in the right place, You
tidy up. You put things away. Tidy up means to make a room neat and organized.
I often say, I need to tidy up the living room before my friends come over. It means I put books on the shelf, I take coffee cups to the kitchen, I put blankets in a basket.
That's a perfect example. Tidy up. Now, what about laundry? That's a big one.
Laundry, yes. First, you collect the dirty clothes, you take them to the washing machine, you put the clothes in, you add soap.
You do the laundry. That's the general phrase. I need to do the laundry today.
Then, when the machine finishes, you take the wet clothes out, you hang them to dry, maybe you hang them on a line outside, or you use a dryer.
Hang the clothes or put the clothes in the dryer. After they're dry, another job, folding. You have to fold the clothes. You make them nice and small. Then you put them away in the closet or in drawers.
Fold the clothes and put them away. Laundry has many steps, doesn't it?
It really does. Let's talk about the bathroom. That's an important room to clean.
Okay, you clean the toilet, you clean the sink, you clean the mirror. Sometimes you need to scrub the shower or the bathtub.
Scrub is a good word. It means to clean something hard with a brush. You scrub the shower to remove dirt and soap.
And you use a different cleaner for the mirror so it doesn't streak. Now, outside the house, maybe you have a small garden or a balcony. You might water the plants.
Yes, water the plants. And if you have a yard, you might mow the lawn. You cut the grass with a lawnmower.
Or in the fall, you rake the leaves. You use a rake to gather the leaves into a pile.
So many verbs: sweep, mop, vacuum, dust, scrub, water, mow, rake. It's a lot.
It is, but we don't do them all every day. We often talk about what we need to do. Let's try a small conversation. I'll start.
Okay.
Lucas, what are your plans for this Saturday?
Oh, I have a lot of housework to do. I really need to clean my apartment.
What do you need to do exactly?
Well, first I have to do the laundry. My clothes basket is full. Then I should vacuum the carpets. They have a lot of dust.
That sounds like a good plan. I need to tidy up my kitchen. It's a little messy right now.
See? A simple, real conversation. I have to do the laundry. I should vacuum. I need to tidy up.
We use need to, have to, and should a lot when we talk about chores. They are all a little different. Need to means it is necessary. Have to is similar. It's like an obligation. Should is a good idea, a recommendation to yourself.
I need to buy groceries because my fridge is empty. I have to pay my rent today. I should wash my windows because they are dirty.
Perfect examples. Now, sometimes we talk about chores in the past. What did you do last weekend?
Last Sunday, I cleaned the whole house. I swept and mopped all the floors. I dusted every room. I even cleaned the inside of my refrigerator.
Wow, you were busy. I just did my laundry and put it away. That was enough for me.
So, past tense, I cleaned, I swept, I mopped, I dusted, I did my laundry. Simple past tense verbs.
And sometimes we ask for help, or we share the work. This is very common in families or with roommates. Lucas, can you help me with something?
Sure, Anna. What do you need?
Could you take out the trash, please? The bin is full.
Of course, no problem. I'll do it after we finish recording.
Thank you. So, could you take out the trash, please? Could you is a polite way to ask for help.
You can also say, would you mind watering the plants while I'm away? That's very polite.
And the answer can be sure, of course, no problem, or I'd be happy to.
Now let's imagine a longer conversation between two roommates. Let's try.
Okay, I'll be Sam and you be Alex. We live together.
Got it.
Hey, Alex, do you have a minute to talk about the cleaning?
Sure, Sam. What's up?
Well, I made a list of chores. I think we should share them. What do you think?
That's a good idea. What's on the list?
Things like taking out the trash, washing the dishes, buying groceries, and vacuuming the living room.
Okay, I don't mind doing the grocery shopping. I actually like it. And I can take out the trash on Mondays and Thursdays.
Great. I can wash the dishes most days, and I'll vacuum on the weekends.
Perfect. Should we clean the bathroom together? It's easier with two people.
Yes, let's do that. How about every other Sunday?
Sounds like a plan.
See, a natural conversation about sharing work. They used I don't mind, I can. Should we do that? Let's do that.
Very useful language. Now let's think about frequency. How often do we do these things?
Some chores are daily, like washing dishes or making the bed.
Some are weekly, vacuuming, mopping, doing laundry.
And some are monthly or seasonal, like cleaning windows or mowing the lawn in summer.
So we can say, I wash the dishes every day. I vacuum once a week. I clean the windows twice a year.
Good. Let's practice with you, Lucas. How often do you do your laundry?
I do my laundry once a week, usually on Sunday.
And how often do you clean your bathroom?
I try to clean it every week, but sometimes it's every 2 weeks. I'm not perfect.
That's okay. Nobody is. The point is to be able to talk about it. Now let's hear a conversation about a problem, a very common problem.
Okay.
I'll be the wife, you be the husband.
All right.
Honey, did you remember to mow the lawn today?
Oh no, I completely forgot. I'm sorry. I had a lot of work calls.
The grass is very long now. You said you would do it last weekend, too.
I know. I'll do it tomorrow, I promise. First thing in the morning.
Okay. And please don't forget to take the recycling out tonight. The truck comes early tomorrow.
I won't forget. I'll set a reminder on my phone right now.
Thank you. So we had forgetting, apologizing, and promising. I completely forgot. I'm sorry. I'll do it tomorrow, I promise.
Real life, right? Now let's do a fun one. A parent talking to a child.
I'll be the child. Jamie, is your room tidy?
Almost.
Almost usually means no. What do you need to do?
I need to put my toys away, and my books are on the floor.
Okay, please tidy your room before dinner. And after that, can you please feed the cat?
Okay, Mom, I will.
So put your toys away, tidy your room, feed the cat. Simple, clear instructions.
This is all such practical language. Let's slow down and repeat some of the most important phrases.
Yes, let's group them. First, verbs for cleaning. Sweep the floor, mop the floor, vacuum the carpet, dust the furniture, scrub the shower, take out the trash, do the laundry, fold the clothes, mow the lawn, water the plants.
Now, phrases for talking about necessity. I need to clean the kitchen. I have to do the laundry today. I should wash the windows.
Phrases for asking for help. Could you take out the trash, please? Would you mind loading the dishwasher? Can you help me with the cleaning?
Phrases for sharing plans. I'll vacuum on Saturdays. I can do the grocery shopping. Let's clean the bathroom together.
And phrases for frequency. I do it every day, once a week, twice a month, every other Sunday.
Wonderful. Now we want you to practice with us. We'll say a line, and then we'll leave a quiet space for you to repeat it. Just try. Speak out loud. No one is listening, so don't be afraid.
I need to tidy up.
Could you help me with the dishes?
I have to sweep the floor.
She mops the kitchen every Friday.
Would you mind watering the plants?
We should clean the windows.
Great job! Every time you speak, you get stronger.
Now let's do a longer listening and speaking exercise. We'll have a conversation. Listen first. Then we'll do it again, but with pauses for you to be one of the speakers.
Okay, here we go.
Hi, Maria. How was your weekend?
It was good, but busy. I did a lot of housework.
Oh, really? Like what?
Well, on Saturday, I cleaned the whole apartment. I vacuumed, I dusted, and I did 3 loads of laundry.
3 loads? That's a lot.
I know. And on Sunday, I had to go to the supermarket. I bought groceries for the whole week. Then I cooked meals for the next few days.
You're so organized. My weekend was lazy. I just watched movies and ordered food.
Sometimes that's exactly what you need, but now I feel ready for the week. My home is clean and my fridge is full.
I admire your energy. Maybe next weekend I'll be more like you.
Okay, now it's your turn. You be Maria. I'll start.
Hi, Maria. How was your weekend?